From the opulent trip of the future. Greetings. Put away your knowledge of RVs. This is more than just a car. It's a statement. Introducing the first of its kind, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. With the help of a mild hybrid system for immediate torque and optimal economy at low speeds, the Chiron's famed 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, which has been adjusted for cruising efficiency, produces amazing power to move this spectacular construction. This is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that combines hypercar performance with residential beauty. The shape has changed from a simple box to a flowing, aerodynamic beauty because of seamless body panels and lightweight carbon fiber. The front end is dominated by the angular, slender LED headlights on each side of Bugatti's recognizable horseshoe grille. The massive aerodynamic wheels, practical air intakes, and angular body lines radiate speed and elegance even while motionless. It is an eye-catching work of art that perfectly captures Bugatti opulence in a manner that no other path can. Once inside, the Bugatti Motorhome cockpit is an incredibly engaging experience. The dashboard is the perfect combination of modern simplicity and unmatched elegance. Every surface is covered in the finest handmade leather and matte carbon fiber, with accents of billet aluminum and polished titanium. The ultra-wide curved touchscreen on the dashboard shows detailed flight information, realistic three-dimensional navigation, and basic vehicle controls that may be accessed by haptic feedback. The inside is converted into an adventure-ready private aircraft cockpit, equipped with dynamic LED ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood and a hypercar-inspired steering wheel that offers precise control. The main interior section, the living area, is a multi-purpose, opulent retreat. The intricately stitched Alcantara panels that cover the walls stand out sharply against the exquisitely polished black wood flooring. At the push of a button, electric slide-out modules dramatically expand the space, creating a spacious sitting area with a sofa and comfortable aniline leather chairs. A foldable carbon fiber dining table emerges out of the floor, while a hidden transparent OLED screen can be used to display the outside view or to create an ultra-high-definition multimedia entertainment center. With an integrated voice control and a high-speed satellite communication system, you can stay connected to the outside world even in the most remote locations. The sleeping chamber is more than just a place to sleep. It's your personal sanctuary. A king-size bed with Italian silk sheets and an opulent memory foam mattress serves as the main attraction. The bedroom walls are coated with leather-wrapped acoustic panels that guarantee total silence. An adjustable surround sound system, a fold-out projection screen, and LED starlights on the ceiling to create a magical mood are all part of the integrated entertainment system. A specifically designed carbon fiber wardrobe and hidden storage drawers offer plenty of capacity without compromising appearance. Additionally, the bathroom conveys an air of luxury. This straightforward yet efficient design makes use of polished titanium fittings and light Carrara marble floors. The most comfortable option is a smart toilet with heated seats and automatic cleaning, while a rain shower with digital temperature control provides a rejuvenating bathing experience. A mirror with integrated LED lighting and a sophisticated air ventilation system offers the finest air circulation. This is more than just a bathroom. It's your own spa wherever you go. The Bugatti Motorhome's kitchen is a wonder of design and technology. It features excellent integrated stainless steel appliances, including a dual induction cooktop, convection oven microwave, and large-capacity refrigerator freezer. Innovative storage systems and countertops made of a lightweight, stain-resistant composite material that mimics stone ensure that every instrument and ingredient is stored in its designated spot. A built-in wine fridge and espresso machine complete your gastronomic journey. This kitchen is designed to enable you to cook delicious meals whether you're in the middle of the desert or on a mountaintop. Bugatti Motorhome 2026. More than a car, it is a vision. A real-life illustration of limitless riches and limitless exploration. It's Bugatti.